Come here. Here we are at the salt lake.
Full of bugs, man.
Yeah, it's full of heaps of bugs and it's really feral. And I don't want to go in, but
Look at all these dead bugs.
look how far they've gone in. They're brave.
Look at the dead bugs.
Look at the dead bugs. There's so many of them.
Salt Lake City.
And they go all over your shoes when you go into the water. Oh, no, they're biting me. It's feral. Alright, let's walk back. Do you think if you run they'll all fly up? Oh, look at them all floating in the water.
We built this city on Salt Lake.
You're alright. I haven't been in the water. Am I a bit of a wimp for not going in?
Get out of my way. Oh, they're around me.
Ah, God, it's so horrible!
I can feel them kicking along.
Oh, the way they move when you're on them. Oh, God.
Oh, it's hot. It's really hot. Ah,
Ah,
shit.
put your shoes on.
It's really, really hot. It's really hot.
It absolutely stinks of salt and dead birds.
Ah.
You'll be alright, you can do it.
Shoes are fucked.
They're all coming out of the water now.
Oh, sick. Ugh.
So yeah,
This was not fun.
that's the Great Salt Lake. The Salt Lake City. Not very great, is it?
It is good, it's just smelly. Look how far we gotta go, man.
It's so hot.
So hard out
So
here.
dehydrated.
And you can't drink the water. The water is undrinkable.
Ew.
Bumblebee tuna. Bumblebee tuna. Oh, it's hot. Ow. What's gone all over my shoe? I just bought these yesterday. Where the fuck are we? Where the fuck are we, man? Where the fuck?
I don't know, man.
How the fuck did we get here?
Get out of here.
You know what? I don't care how we got here. I just want to know how we get out of here.
We've been wandering out here for days. What are we gonna do?
There's no food.
There's
only
no
salt
food.
water. It's
There's
fucking hot. It's fucking hot. Got no steaks.
There's only dead birds to eat.
Dead bird. You should film a dead bird.
I'm sure we'll come across one soon enough.
Oh god.
You'll be patient now, little Liz.
Hey, we're cooking dead birds for tea. Now there's enough for everybody. They're everywhere.
Why don't you come and join us?
Ooh. Listen to the crunch.
Oh. I think this is where Dead Bird starts.
Dead bird village.
This is Dead Bird Mile now. There ain't nothing but dead birds.
We haven't seen one yet.
I'm sure we'll find one. It'll find us.
We'll find us and it'll kill us.
We'll become one of the dead birds of the lake. Ugh.
You know, they were thirsty. They thought they could drink it, but they can't. They died. Hamburger lady. She gone. She drank out of Salt Lake City and she died. She dead.
She did. She gone.
She gone.
She gone now. She's gone. Come on, where are all these dead birds?
I swear we saw them on the way here.
I swear we saw them. They're all gone now.
They got up and left. It's so dang hot. They haven't anywhere to be seen.
Here's one.
Oh God. The first dead bird of the century. Now where's the rest? I'm gonna have me some lean bird tonight.
Oh, here they are.
Oh God.
Dead bird number 2.
Number 3.
And dead bird number 3.
Number 4. 5, 6,
Number 4, 5,
7,
6, 7, 8 over there.
9.
9!
9 birds in 5 seconds. Now what killed them? If you can answer this, what killed these birds?
We'll give you a prize.
You
The
win.
next caller to call in. What killed these birds? We'll get you a coupon to Walmart.
Stick? Did someone hit them? Look, I see a bird, a live bird. Now that's unusual in these parts.
What
is that?
There's another bird. And another one. And 2 more.
What is that noise? What is it?
Dead birds
What
everywhere.
is this temple?
What is the temple? What does our life mean?
What?
Why are we here? Should we find the answers?
Did God intend us to be here? I ain't so sure.
What about these dead birds? Were they supposed to be here? To spend the rest of their lives in the Great Salt Lake? God damn it!
God dang it! You can see its fucking head. Oh,
Ew.
that looks like a swan. A baby swan.
We're almost to the land.
We got some crazy shit ahead of us.
That was some crazy shit back there. There are the others.
3 musketeers. They're so brave. Got a ladder. It exploded.
It's almost over now.
It's almost over now. Almost over now.
Dirty pop.
I love you, Joel.
Joel. Feed me burgers. Feed me burgers, Joel.
Your sister can watch if she wants to. She also pretty. Ready to pop?
This is the worst maintained path there I've ever witnessed.
This is the worst maintained path ever.
This isn't the way we came in.
Shit, son. Are you sure?
Shit, son, we're lost. How are we gonna get out? Yeah.
Oh, God. I tell you what, it smells like my bloody fried eggs in the morning. Stand in this little bit of shade.
Oh, God. We're safe now.
We're safe.